So you're looking for an apartment, 2-bed, 2-bath with great connectivity. Benham Drive is a good one. So location-wise, very easy access to Reading and the M4. You've got Budgeons for your daily essentials, great car wash there too. So closer to Benham Drive, you've got Waring's Bakery and a convenience store for your essentials as well. We are neighbouring Shinfield, so if you want to go for a walk, you've got Langley Mead there, and there's a very handy co-op there too. So Benham Drive also benefits from all of this lovely green space for you to take a break and get away from it all. The property benefits from 2 small double bedrooms, an ensuite to the master, and your family bathroom too. So here we are inside, and as you can see, this is a decent sized lounge with that lovely green outlook. In the kitchen, you've got gas cooker, which is super handy with integral fridge freezer behind the door itself. So if you love what you see and you think this one is for you, don't leave it lying around too long because you might miss out. Contact the team at the office or via our WhatsApp number, and I can't wait to meet you here at Benham Drive.